right, guys, so I was up until like 3 in the morning painting. So yeah, I did the family room, as you can see. Sorry I didn't record it. All right, and now I have to do the kitchen. I am gonna record some of this, but I did start last night. I just wanted to, you know, hit up the top part. The camera, let me turn this way so you can see. So I did the top, and now I just need to go and do the rest, and then I have to do the rest of the place, the entryway area. But I think I'm just gonna do this wall. I can't do any of the walls that's connected to these high ceilings because I don't have a ladder to get up there. And I've been calling around like different paint companies, and no one is willing to come out and do the space because it's not enough for them. They're saying their minimum is like $500, or you need to be doing at least three rooms, or you know, they don't come out. So they just want as much money as possible. So it seems like I'm just gonna have to find like some kind of local handyman kind of guy that has a really high ladder that can, you know, do it, or I'm just gonna have to go to Home Depot and see if there's some way I can get a really high ladder home. Like maybe they have one that folds down, you know, into like different layers, and you can just extend it. But I don't know, I'm gonna stop by Home Depot as well, because now that I'm like in my groove and I'm like painting and I just want to get it done, I honestly want to just complete everything. I even want to go upstairs, and I have this big can of paint. So I feel like this is going to be enough to cover, you know, the entire space. I am going to go back and do a second coat in here though. I kind of feel like, I mean, I don't think I need to. It definitely looks covered, but the longer I look at it, I feel like I'm seeing, you know, I'm kind of seeing through the gray color, and that like yellowish undertone that was here before is starting to peek out at me. So I feel like I'm just gonna do a second coat on this wall and make sure I'm not tripping. That is supposed to be a one coat type of paint. The coverage is, you know, amazing. So yeah, that's what I have going on right now. And I just got a call from Amazon's delivery service telling me that they had a cancellation, so they can drop off the cabinet that I ordered today instead of tomorrow. So I'm like, okay, cool, yeah, you can definitely come by. So now I have to get some of this furniture up. So these bookcases here, I need to take these upstairs. I need to do this now because they're gonna come in like, what time is it? They said 3, and it's about to be 1. So I need to like make some room for them to get in, because I don't really know how big it's going to be and what door they have to come in, if they have to go through the garage or the front door. But I do know there's way too much stuff in here to like even fit the cabinet. So I'm gonna try to move some of this furniture out. You know what? No. What am I gonna do first? I wanted to do a second coat on this wall before they get here because I need it to dry. So let me do that first.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna
easy.
Okay, so I could just stay here.
Two things I need from you.
Okay.
A signature here saying that I had brought it, because I want to take a picture of this to send with my company.
So here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I kind of had to destroy the box. So I'm gonna inspect it now. So far, it looks good. I don't see any damage to the mirrors. Dragging it on something. I gotta lift it. Let me put this cardboard back under it. Make it easier to slide. Okay, come in the way, baby.
Can I get out of this mess? Abby, come
Alright.
this looks like a fire.
Oh, there we go. All right, we're getting somewhere. Hey. Maybe no, not that way. I'm so tired and my battery is about to die. But I mean, I got it in here. I got it in here. All right, so it's a new day and I don't know if I like the pink color. I really don't know. I'm looking at it like maybe this isn't the right shade of gray. And okay, let me show you guys. So I put the mirrors back up, some of them. And as I was doing it, I was looking at it like I don't know if I like I really don't know if I like it. I feel like I could have went a shade or two darker with the pink color and maybe it'll look better. I felt so good about the color yesterday. I was like doing the second coat and I was dancing. I was excited about it. It looks different from the swatch, but I'm just gonna have to make this work because I purchased a really big bucket of paint. Really big, and I can't get my money back. I cannot return this, and she told me when I purchased it, if I open it up, I cannot return it. But I was like, oh, I have no plans on returning it, girl. I love this color. Oh, this has been open. Oh God, I hope the paint wasn't drying out the whole time. It's been open since yesterday. Mix it up some. And then I started in the kitchen and I had to stop. I'm not even gonna finish the kitchen because I have a feeling I might end up changing this paint color and just use this color upstairs in the bedroom because I do want to paint the bedroom too. So I don't want to, you know, have this paint go to waste. Really don't want to go through the process of finding swatches and testing them on the wall again. I wanted to be done with this. I wanted to be done with this like by this weekend. Today is Thursday. So I really wanted to just finish. Alright guys, so I am about to head out to Lowe's and get some more paint samples. I went out last night and picked up some more. Alright guys, it's another day. Let me turn this music down. It's another day and I'm down to the last two paint colors and I just couldn't make my mind up, so I'm gonna actually put them on the wall. Like I was doing swatches on other walls, but I decided, you know what, if I'm gonna see how these colors look in this room, I need to put it on this wall. So we have Agreeable Gray and Repulse Gray. So yeah, I'm kind of leaning towards Repulse Gray because I feel like Agreeable Gray is too light, and I mean I get a lot of light in this room. I don't really need to go super light. It's a well lit area and like all of the areas that I want to put this color in, it's pretty lit. So I don't need to go super light. You can start seeing the Agreeable Gray on that side is drying up. But yeah, I'm like, you know what? I need to just put it on the wall and see what it looks like. I really hope I can pick a color tonight, go back up to the store and just get, I think I'm just going to get 2 gallons this time. I don't plan to get a big bucket because if I paint this entire room and then wake up tomorrow and I'm just like, what did I just do? I'm going to have to, you know, find a new color. But you know what? If I end up not liking the color this time, I'm going with white. I'm just going to stick to white. You cannot go wrong with white, although it's like boring. And I mean, depending on how you decorate, it can look good. I look a mess. All right, I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference, but the colors are drying. And it looks like Agreeable Gray is darker. It's not completely dry yet. You know, I just did this side. But Agreeable Gray is really starting to dry and it's looking darker. At first I was saying it's not dark enough because when I did the tester on the wall, it was really light. Actually, I didn't put the tester on the wall. I put it on this board here. Where is, okay, here it is. So I have Agreeable Gray right here, and I put it against the wall with the gray that was on there, and it just didn't look dark enough. It was like nearly blending in. So I was just like, no, I don't think Agreeable Gray is gonna work. But looking at it now, although, you know, there's some more shaded area because the window is here, it's gonna be a little darker. But it's dark. It's pretty dark. Just gonna wait for this one to dry because this is supposed to be darker than the Agreeable Gray. I guess I'll just check back in with you guys later.
2 hours later.
Turn your radio on, play it for your man or your lady on that. You wanna be the one with a relationship with you. Another day to come along with to make me anything that can between us. But I'm my best friend, the one is the one to talk to. Me and my girl was having problems. You're such a body, I'm on you, you all me. Take it down, I really wanna take it down. Show you what I'm about, and I take it down. You guys like no wasting time, worrying about small things that ain't relevant to me.
Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what's going on so far. So I'm done painting the family room and I am working on the kitchen. I just, you know, went across the top. And this hallway area, just knocking the most time-consuming areas out of the way. So yeah, and I'm gonna stop it right here. We are getting somewhere. It's looking great, although I had to paint the family room twice. Was not excited about that, but I did my research. I found the right paint color and I'm gonna roll with it.
Walk it like I talk it, walk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. feel like the Indian, them a cannot. Now when you do your thing, you do me that. You lucky, me no day no yes. But everything you do with me, I give back. Everything you do with me, I give back. Everything you do with me, I give back.
That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.